Hello folks, Carl at Valeting and Detailing. Excuse the hair, it's very windy out here today. Two vans and the final car of 2017, this stunning Fabia vRS in moon white, I believe. It's had a full safe wash, maintenance detail, centre cap replacement as well because the other ones are corroded. So I'll just take you around the vehicle now and let you have a look for yourself. So as you can see, a lot of people say white cars don't shine. This one has been maintained by KAVD since it was purchased. I think it was about 2 years ago. It's already had a full machine polish. It's had the works really. The wheels have been off, the calipers have been painted, you name it, yeah, it's been done. So full safe wash, full safe dry, and it's been coated with Carbon Collective Speciale Detailer. And we did these quite a while back as well. I think that's when the car was first purchased. It's done 11,000 miles, this car. It is definitely a weekend toy. There is literally not a mark on this vehicle whatsoever. The wheels were coated in Detailing C5 wheel armour a while back. So just shampoo to wash those. And to finalise the detail today, new centre caps to match the valve. Bottom of the badge facing the valve cap. It's the little details like that we enjoy at KAVD. So I'm just going to go inside. That was our final car of 2017. Thank you very much for everybody's support over the last 12 months. We're really looking forward to 2018 with everything that we've got planned. We want to wish you a very happy new year and a very prosperous 2018. All the best, KAVD team.